Are you looking to get your permit to carry concealed in the state of Delaware? If so, this video will show you the step-by-step process on how to get your Delaware Concealed Deadly Weapons license, all in one place right now. But before we get into the video, a quick reminder. We have a secret gun giveaway going on right now. You can enter for free, but it ends really soon. Just click the link in the description below for your free entry. First of all, it's important that you know the gun and concealed carry laws in your home state and anywhere you choose to carry a firearm. It's your responsibility to stay on the right side of the law. Now, in the state of Delaware, this permit is called a Concealed Deadly Weapons License, and it is issued to you at the county level by the Prothonotary Office. Here are the steps you need to take to apply for your permit to carry in Delaware. Step 1. Complete a firearms training course and submit your certificate of completion. A firearms training course shall include the following elements: safe handling of firearms and ammunition, safe storage of firearms and child safety, safe storage of ammunition and child safety, safe firearms shooting fundamentals, a live fire shooting exercise conducted on a range, including the expenditure of a minimum of 100 rounds of ammunition, identification of ways to develop and maintain firearm shooting skills, the federal and state laws pertaining to the lawful purchase, ownership, transportation, use, and possession of firearms, laws of the state of Delaware pertaining to the use of deadly force for self-defense and techniques for avoiding a criminal attack, and how to manage a violent confrontation, including conflict resolution. Next, you'll download and complete the application. You can take your training class before you submit your application, or wait until your application is approved, at which point you will have 90 days to submit your training certificate. Step 3. Arrange with a newspaper of general circulation in your county to have your application published once at least 10 business days before the filing of your application with the court. Obtain an affidavit from the newspaper company stating that this requirement has been met and attach it to your application. Please note, selected newspapers must have a circulation of at least 35% of the population in your zip code. Be sure to use your whole name, no initials, and your home address. Arrange to be fingerprinted by the State Bureau of Identification within 45 days of filing an application. Fingerprinting is by appointment only, so call the Bureau at 302-739-2528 and you will be given the address of the Delaware State Police Troop to report to at the time you are given an appointment. You may want to verify payment methods at the time you schedule your interview. Have the reference questionnaires completed by 5 citizens from the county in which you reside who are not related to you and who have known you for at least 1 year. Take the completed and notarized application to the Prothonotary Office or mail it to the Prothonotary Office in the county in which you reside. You will need to include the following: the original set of fingerprints and a complete copy of all the documents, 2 passport-style photographs taken within the preceding 6-month period, and the filing fee. If your application is approved, you must now complete an approved gun course within 90 days. If you cannot complete the course within 90 days of the approval of your gun license, submit proof that you have enrolled in the course. Lastly, submit an original notarized certification of satisfactory completion of the firearms training course. Please note that if a certification or proof of enrollment is not filed with the court within 90 days of your approval of your gun license, they will assume you no longer want to obtain a gun license. In order to obtain your gun license, you will have to start the process over from the beginning. The permit is valid for 3 years after the initial license and 5 years for renewals. And there you have it, the 8 necessary steps for applying for your Delaware Concealed Deadly Weapons license. From all of us at the USCCA, thank you for taking these necessary steps toward making your community a little bit safer. For additional details on fees, processing and delivery timelines, the renewal process, and other requirements for applying for your permit, visit USCCA.com. I'm Kevin Michalowski. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.
The information contained in this guide or video is provided as a service and does not constitute legal advice. USCCA makes no claims, representations, warranties, promises, or guarantees as to the accuracy, completeness, or adequacy of the information disclosed.